I want you to put your hand on your chest and repeat after me. I refuse to carry dull skin till next week. I hope you have said it. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy and I share authentic skincare routines and I recommend the best of the best skincare products that would help to solve any skincare problem that you are having. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 products that will give you a brighter looking skin just in 2 weeks. If you are in a haste and you want to brighten up your skin, you want your skin to pop, you want your skin to eat, you want your skin to serve, 10 out of 10 minus nothing, okay, then this video is a video that you should watch from the beginning till the end. So the very first thing I want to tell you is that this is your last bus stop. This is the final routine that you're going to use that would brighten up your skin. I know you are tired, I know you are impatient, I know that you are tired of using a lot of products and it's not working for you. This routine, you're going to testify. So the very first thing I'm going to recommend for you in this routine has to be a pre-cleansing bar soap. If you are going to use a pre-cleansing bar soap, you're going to notice a change in your skin because the pre-cleansing bar soap would help to get rid of dirt, oil, sweat on your skin, and then prep your skin to be ready to accept other products. I don't know if you're understanding my point. If your skin pores or your skin is dirty and your skin pores are closed, there is no how these products will work on your skin. There is no how these products will penetrate into your skin and do the job that they're supposed to do. So for that, I'm going to be recommending the particular pre-cleansing bar from Johnson. This is Johnson baby soap, okay? The particular soap is mild and gentle and it would help to do the job. It would help to cleanse your skin, remove dirt, remove oil, remove germs, remove impurities, open up your skin pores so that your skin will be ready to accept the amazing products that I'm going to recommend in this routine. So after this pre-cleansing bar soap, the next bar soap that you're going to use, okay, although at night, okay, you have to be this particular bar soap. This is alpha 3 arbutin collagen soap. The particular one contains alpha arbutin, it contains collagen, and it is very, very potent when it comes to skin brightening. This is what I use to restore my glow. So I'm not coming here to tell you what I did not use. The particular bar soap helps to brighten up your skin and give you a same skin tone. If you have been struggling with uneven skin tone, if you have been struggling with hyperpigmentation on your body, a skin that have refused to glow, a dull skin, if your skin is very, very stubborn and dull, get this bar soap and incorporate it into your body care routine and you will see the magic that it will do on your skin. It contains collagen, okay, that would help to firm your skin and give you a fresh looking skin. Collagen actually helps in firming our skin and give us a whiter looking skin, a brighter looking skin, a skin that we eat. It also contains honey extract that would help to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So it will not leave your skin to be very, very drying. Trust me. It contains milk that will also help to gently exfoliate your skin and give you a fresh, renewed skin. Do you understand? And like I said, this bar soap is a bar soap that you're going to use only at night. Do not use this bar soap during the day. You are gonna see shaggy if you use it during the day, okay? So after bar soap, the next thing you're going to really have to be a scrub. If you're not exfoliating your skin, there's no how your skin will be clean, there's no how your skin will be off dead skin cell, there's no how your skin pores will be open. And for that, I'm going to be recommending the particular one from Dr. Teals. This is Dr. Teals Shea Sugar Scrub that contains vitamin C with essential oils. It also contains shea butter that would help to moisturize your skin, orange oil that will help to brighten up your skin, and avocado oil that also help to nourish your skin. Do you understand? It contains sorbic acid, which acts as a mild exfoliant and also as a preservative when it comes to this particular product. It also contains evening primrose oil that would also help to make your skin fresh. I have a detailed video where I talked about how to exfoliate your skin A to Z, everything you need about physical exfoliation. Even I have a chemical exfoliation video as well. But this scrub is not for you to use on your face. This scrub is a what? Body scrub. Repeat after me. Body scrub. If you use this scrub on your face, you are going to see shaggy. This is what I'm just going to say. You are going to see what you did not expect to see. So please, while exfoliating your skin, just exfoliate from your neck downwards. Do not exfoliate here. Leave here, for crying out loud, okay? And for exfoliation, you are going to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times weekly. If you have a sensitive skin, or if you have a dry skin, or if you don't even want to do too much, 2 times is enough. I exfoliate my skin 2 times, and as you can see, my skin is popping. But if you know you want to do extra, you want to go overboard, you want to take it extreme, okay, you want to take it to the next step, I would recommend I use it 3 times every week, and you're going to see good results. After exfoliating or having your bath, you're going to be locking in moisture, of course, and you're going to be locking in moisture with a good moisturizing body lotion so that your skin will retain moisture. A dry skin cannot glow. A dry skin cannot eat. A dry skin cannot pop. If your skin is dry, you are going to be having flaky skin, and your skin will be looking ashy. It doesn't have any koinonians with you glowing. Do you get? But if your skin is hydrated, if your skin is moisturized, then you are going to glow. And for that, I'm going to recommend this particular one from E45. This is E45 body lotion that helps to lock in 24 hours moisture on your skin. It is suitable for sensitive skin, dry skin, normal skin, any kind of skin type that you have. You can use this particular body lotion. It also helps to reduce redness. It helps to reduce flaking. It helps to reduce scaling. Like I said, if your skin is dry, your skin will be scaling and your skin will be flaking. But if you're using this particular body lotion, you will not have a dry skin, so your skin does not have any business with flaking or drying. It contains lanolin that will actually help to lock in moisture on the surface of your skin. It also contains hydrocellulose that would help to improve the texture of your skin and also open up your pores so that these products can sink into your skin and do the job so well. You can use it morning and night after your bath. You lock in moisture using this. You see, the particular step is the step that your glow locks in, and for that you're going to be using a body oil to lock in all the ingredients, all the moisture that we have gotten from the previous products that we have used. If you are using body oils, you will notice that your skin is glowy because it will help to seal the ingredients from the body lotion. It will help to hydrate your skin and also brighten up your skin. And for body oils, I'm going to recommend the particular one from Skeen Point. This is Skeen Point Glow Booster Lightening Oil that helps to brighten up your skin, lighten up your skin, and give you a visibly radiant skin in 2 weeks. If you use this oil, in 2 weeks, you're going to be getting a good result. This oil actually helps to reduce dark spots, repair damaged skin, even at your skin tone, and give you a radiant skin. And it is suitable for any skin type, okay? But you're going to use it only at night. It is a night body oil. Do not use oil in the morning, please. To avoid your skin from getting dark, do not use the body oil in the morning. Only use it at night. It says on the body that Skeen Point Glow Booster is an ultra-rich lightening and whitening oil that nourishes the skin while diminishing the appearance of visible spots, dullness, and discoloration. It is formulated with alpha arbutin and kojic acid for maintaining an even toned skin.